Tape script 7.20.1.
I'm not sure what we need. Can you remember what we have in the cupboards at home, Hieng?
Sorry, Mom. I forgot. I know we don't have any fruit. Should we buy some apples?
Yes, that's a good idea. We don't have many oranges at home, so we should also buy some oranges. Oh, and we don't have much orange juice, so buy some orange juice for your father. Do we need any milk? How much milk do we have?
We don't have much milk in the fridge.
Okay, buy some milk, but don't buy too much milk because it's heavy. What about coffee? Is there any coffee in the coffee jar?
No, Mom. There isn't any coffee in the jar. Should we buy some?
Yes, buy some coffee. Oh, do we need any potatoes?
I think so, Mom. We don't have many potatoes at home.
These tomatoes look really fresh. How many tomatoes do we have at home, Hieng?
We don't have any tomatoes, so we need to buy some. Do we have any onions?
Oh, I forget. I'm not sure how many onions we have. I don't need any now. I can buy onions tomorrow.
Do we need any meat, Mom?
Oh yes, of course. I nearly forgot. Can you remember how much meat there is in the fridge?
There isn't much meat in the fridge. I think there is some pork, but there isn't any beef or chicken.
Okay, we should buy some beef, but don't buy any chicken. I don't need much chicken until the weekend. I will buy fresh chicken on Friday.
I think that's all we need, Mom.
Yes, let's buy what we need now. If you've forgotten anything, I will come back tomorrow.
Okay, Mom.
Tape script 7.20.2.
Miss Akina, the Japanese health worker, is coming to the dinner tonight, and I want to cook something special for her. I'm going to cook Japanese chicken with the cashew nuts. I have the recipe here. I will read out the ingredients and you can check to see if we have them.
Okay, Mom.
First, we need some chicken. Do we have any chicken in the fridge?
No, Mom. There isn't any.
Okay, we need to buy a chicken. We also need some flour. Do we have any flour?
There's some in the jar, but not much.
I only need a little, but I think we should buy some flour. And we need a few spring onions.
That's okay because we have some in the fridge.
Oh, they aren't very good. Buy a few fresh spring onions. I only want to use fresh ingredients. We also need some chilies. Do we have any chilies?
No, Mom. We haven't got any chilies. How many chilies do you need?
Just a few, 3 or 4. I also need some cashew nuts. How much do cashew nuts cost?
Oh, they are expensive. How many do you need, Mom?
I don't need a lot, just a few. We should buy a small packet of the cashew nuts. And we need some soy sauce.
Oh, we only have a little soy sauce in the cupboard. We should buy a bottle. Anything else?
We need a little sugar.
No problem, Mom. We have lots of sugar. Look, there's a kilo packet here in the cupboard.
Oh, that's good. And finally, we need a red pepper. You should buy a few because they aren't expensive. Oh, and don't forget to write down the cost of each item.
Okay, Mom. I'll get my shopping basket and meet you outside.
Good girl.
Tape script 7.20.3.
A. Flour. B. Spring onions. C. Chilies. D. Cashew nuts. E. Red peppers.
Tape script 7.20.4.
This soup is delicious.
I'm glad you like it. It's the first time I ever cooked Japanese food and it took me a little time to get it right. Would you like more?
Just a little, thanks. Thanks. It's lovely. Did you put any salt in it?
Yes, I did. Just a little salt and a few peppers. Do you think there is too much salt?
Oh no, it's perfect. My mother always adds a little salt. I think it makes it taste a lot better.
The recipe said I should also add 6 more onions, but I thought that was too many, so I only added 1.
No, you don't need to add many onions. 1 is enough.
Is there any chicken left, Mom?
Yes, of course. I cooked a lot of chicken because I know how much you like it. How much chicken would you like, Hyung?
Just a little, please.
Is the chicken too spicy, Akina? I only added a few chilies, so it should be okay.
It's great. Just like we have in Japan. The cashew nuts taste wonderful. How many cashew nuts did you use?
Not too many, just a few. Would you like anything else? There is some fresh fruit here, and we have some ice cream in the fridge.
I've eaten too much already. Okay, I'll have a little ice cream, thanks.
Hyung, would you mind getting the ice cream? There are also some strawberries in the fridge. Bring those too.
Okay, Mom.
You're very kind.
Oh, it's no problem. It's nice to be able to welcome you to our home.